The air exhaust muffler is designed to mitigate noise generated during the exhaust process, thereby improving the working environment. Its operational principle involves the conversion of acoustic energy into thermal energy through the use of sound-absorbing materials and specialized structural configurations. The air exhaust muffler is typically installed at the unit's discharge outlet. These air exhaust mufflers are particularly essential in noise-sensitive settings, such as industrial facilities located near residential areas, where they effectively reduce noise pollution and ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Different types of air exhaust mufflers are suitable for varying exhaust flow rates and noise levels, and selection should be based on specific operational requirements.